Good morning, students. Economics, class 11. Consumer equilibrium in case of two commodities or several commodities. In my previous video, we have seen the consumer equilibrium in case of single commodity. But in our practical life, we don't use only a single commodity but several commodities. So, the consumer equilibrium will depend upon these things which we are using in our day-to-day life. When a consumer wants to buy two commodities, his equilibrium will be determined in accordance with the law of equimarginal utility. Law of equimarginal utility means all the units which you are using, that is providing you different type of utilities, but that equality should be there in marginal utility. In this case, he will distribute his money income along these goods in such a way that as he gets equal marginal utility or equimarginal utility in terms of money from all the goods. Some economists call it as proportionality rule, means every unit is having the equal proportion. In case of two goods, consumption equilibrium would be MUX over PX, means the basic condition of equilibrium will be MUX over PX equals MUY over PY equals MUM. Here MUM is the monetary income which a consumer is earning. So MUX and MUY, these will be the marginal utility of commodity X and Y, and PX and PY will be price of X and Y good. Now, we can show it into a formula. MUX over PX equals MUY over PY equals MUZ over PZ, and till when whatever the number of commodities which we are using, and that will be bought from our money income. This we can show with the, suppose a consumer is having 6 units of money and he has to consume goods. So how many goods he can consume, that is given as MUX, MUY, and what you are observing that 4 units of MUX will be used and 2 units of money will be spent on buying the Y good. So it is first, then second, means all the even will be of X and all the odds will be of Y. And then it will be having, and then we will be adding up all together MUX over PX equals MUY over PY equals 8 units of utility upon 1 unit of money. Thus, utilities are equalized. Total utility is maximized, as we know TU equals summation MU. So we will be adding them up together. 14 plus 12 plus 10 plus 8, then plus 10, then plus 8. And we will be getting 62 units. That will be the maximum and we can't make it change. And now seeing that this X, MUF X good, we are using 4, and here we will be in the situation of loss. But in another situation when we are using this, we are having, means only 2 units of X, Y will be used and 4 units of X will be used, and that will keep us in the situation of gains. And this line EMUL will show that whatever the 8 units of utility is there, that is bought with the 1 unit of money. And we can get the consumer equilibrium with this situation. And the consumer equilibrium in case of two commodities, that is in where we are using only one commodity, here we are using the commodities more than one, and it may also be extended when we are using the commodity Z or till N. that we can buy with the motive of earning maximum satisfaction.